My name is Diane Sylvester. I want to present to you my tech tool that I chose, which is Prezi. When you go to Google, you type in Prezi.com. Once you have selected the website and made your account, it'll show you a dashboard that looks like this. This is the product that I've created, so I will click on it to show you. As you can see, I made a presentation for my back to school night for my second grade parents. Each post-it note is a different category I would like to discuss with my parents. When you can click on the About Me page and use the forward arrow, it will advance you to the next post-it note. You will find that under the About Me and Subject post-it note, I have created subtopic pages to further explain the information without cluttering the main page. To add a new post-it note, you will want to click the top right button that says Back to Edit. Once you have selected that, you can click on the last slide on the left side and right-click to bring up a box to select New Topic. Once you have selected a new topic, a new post-it note will present itself on your screen, and you can simply drag it over to the correct order that you'd like it in. From there, you will see the yellow line that is connected to each post-it note, and that is showing you what order the Prezi will present each post-it note in. To correct the order of that yellow line, you need to switch the sides over here on the left by dragging one slide to the spot that you would like it in. To title your post-it note, you want to click on it once to select the box, then one more time to select the text box. And for this one, I will name it Room Number. Once I've added the room number title, you can double click on the post-it note to bring you into the slide that will be presented, and I can continue to add the information I wish to share. Underneath here, if I wanted to give directions to the room, I could fill in this area. Otherwise, once I'm done, I can click the zoom out button on the bottom left to go back to the main page. Once I am done with this, you will see that I have now added a new post-it note to my screen, and it will be part of my Prezi presentation. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation as much as I enjoyed creating it.